Once I went to tryouts and saw how the coaches were so welcoming and the former dancers, I just knew that I made the right decision. Dance means to me a creative outlet. It's a form of expression that brings me joy more than anything else.
I've been dancing since I was like 2 years old or 3 years old. I just really like performing. Like being on a gym floor, it's very different from being on the stage.
I love just being able to explore other styles of dance that a lot of us grew up doing.
It's a way for me to express myself if I can't articulate it in words.
I think that I just love performing with my friends. That's my favorite part.
I'm really thankful for where the dance team has brought me today.